Everyone, and welcome back to this course. My name is Shivani, and today we are going to learn about letter writing. Letter writing is important to anyone who is in a professional field, or even we write letters to our friends, families, or someone close to us. In earlier days, our grandparents wrote letters to each other, to their friends, families, or to someone expressing their anger, to inviting someone, or to accepting the invites, and the list goes on. But nowadays, this thing is a bit off. Why? Because we have social media to stay in touch with each other. But sometimes it's good to know that how to write a letter, when to write a letter, and whom to write a letter. So in this lesson, we will be learning about everything related to letter writing. So let's get into the video. First, we should have a proper definition to letter writing. Like, what is a letter? A letter is a written, typed, or printed communication sent by post on messenger. Letters are of two types, formal letter and informal letters. Formal letter is meant for an official, while informal letters are sent to friends and relatives. As we said, we have two letters, formal letters and informal letters. First, let's talk about formal letters. We have different types of formal letters. We use them to write to editor and when to file a complaint and to inquire about something. We use formal letter to write to an editor of a newspaper. We start by saying, through your esteemed column of your newspaper, I would like to highlight the major concerns of my neighborhood or society. Or you can even go like, through your esteemed column of your newspaper, I wish to bring to your notice of the concerned authorities. We also use formal letters to file a complaint. When writing a complaint letter, stick on the point. Always be polite and formal. Mention all the details and further steps if the complaint remains unattended. We also use formal letters to inquire about something. We start by saying, I shall be obliged if you could give me the following information. Ask about all the concerns in detail, all the information of the product you are interested in. Now, let's take a look at the format of the formal letter, which is very important to understand. But before starting, let me tell you that every content of formal letter or informal letter always starts from the left side of the page and in an closed box. First, we put sender's address. Then we put the date when we are writing the letter. After that, we put receiver's address, or you can say the person you are writing to. Then we put subject, means the reason for writing the letter, and that too in a single sentence. Then we put salutation, means sir slash madam. Then we jump onto the body and content of the letter. First, we introduce ourselves when we are writing a formal letter. We answer all the questions given or the problems we want to discuss. After that, we jump onto the body. In body, we give solutions to the problem. We analyze the problem, or you can say we give suggestions to resolve the problem. Later, we conclude the letter by saying, kindly look into the matter. We conclude the letter by saying, thanking you, yours truly, faithfully, sincerely. Then we put our signature as a remark and our name at the end of the letter. Let's take a look at the sample of the formal format. Write a letter to the manager of organization or to play, informing them about their due payment. Take a look at this because it is a complaining letter. First, we put the address of the sender, then the date when we are writing the letter. After that, we put manager's address, subject, reminder for paying dues. Then we put salutation. This is to remind you that your organization has taken a loan, and then we continue with our problem or we are suggesting something. After that, in the body section, we give suggestions. Since now we have received just 50% of the principal amount, we would appreciate it if you could make full amount deposit at the earliest. Then we conclude the letter by saying, kindly look into the matter. Then we put yours truly, your name, and the designation of yours. With this, we are done with formal letters. Now jump onto informal letters. We use informal letters to write to our friends, families, or someone close to our heart. To a friend, we inform about something. We invite them for occasion. We ask for sorry if we have done any mistake and to know about their well-being. We write informal letters to our parents to express our love, to ask for their well-being, or sometimes we live at a far place, so we write our letters to our parents. We invite them for annual function by writing informal letters. Take a look at the format of the informal letters. Similarly, we put sender's address first on the left side of a page. Then we put salutation, but not the receiver's address. Why? Because it is obvious that we are writing to our friend or family. Then we put the body of the letter. You ask for the well being of the person. Then you inform about your well being, or you can say, I hope you are healthy. Then we jump onto the body. When we are writing to our friends, we can play with our words. But when we are writing to someone elder, we use respectful words. We conclude a letter by saying everything and saying a goodbye. Or you can say, I'll write to you again. You end the letter by posting with love and your name at the end. Let's take a look at the sample of the informal format. Let us write a letter to a friend to congratulate him/her for ranking first in the class. You put the sender's address first, means your address. Then you put salutation, Dear Rahul. Then we jump onto the content of the letter. We ask for their well being, we inform about our well being, or you can say, How is the weather there? I am fine and doing good also. Then you put the main content of the letter. I heard the news of you holding first rank in the class. I feel really happy and proud of you. I would like to congratulate you for the same. I know you must have done a lot of hard work for it, and finally you have achieved what you wanted. Then you conclude the letter by saying your positive remarks or summarizing everything. I hope that you achieve all the success. Keep it up. Also, try to meet you in person and congratulate you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. With love, and your name at the end of the letter. Let's summarize our today's class. First, we get to know about letter writing and its different types, means formal letter and informal letter. Then we did the definition of both the letters, how they use and how we can use them. Then we get to know about the formats of formal and informal letters. After that, we conclude our lecture by solving the examples of each format. With this, we are done with today's lecture. I hope this lesson was helpful to you, and we will meet into next class with some exciting topic. Till then, take care of yourself and be happy with everything around you. Bye.